All right, so now let's talk about what the intranet actually looks like. Page design, the web parts that bring it to life, and the principles that make a SharePoint site feel like a destination rather than just a filing cabinet. Now, the first design principle is clarity over completeness. The instinct when building an intranet homepage is to put everything on it. All the news, all the links, all the announcements, all the quick links to every tool the organization uses, will use, ever used. Resist that instinct. A crowded homepage doesn't serve everyone. It serves no one. The homepage should surface the most important and most frequently needed content curated intentionally with a clear visual hierarchy that guides the eye towards what matters most. So SharePoint's Hero web part, that's one of the most powerful tools for that. It's a large visual banner at the top of a modern page that can hold up to 5 featured pieces of content: links, news stories, announcements, important resources. When it's used well, it communicates at a glance what's most important right now. When it's used poorly, it's just a rotating slideshow of stock photos with vague captions that nobody clicks. So use the Hero for genuinely high priority content, an important policy update, a message from leadership, a deadline that everyone needs to know about, not for decorative imagery. Now, the news web part is what keeps your intranet feeling alive. In SharePoint, news posts are separate from static pages. They're time-stamped, they appear in a feed, and they can be configured to roll up from multiple connected sites into one place. If your HR hub publishes a benefits update, and your IT team publishes a system maintenance notice, and your leadership team publishes a strategic update, a news roll-up on the homepage can surface all of them in one feed. And then with audience targeting, that shows the most relevant content to each employee based on their role, department, or location. All right, now that brings us to audience targeting. That's one of the most powerful and underused features in modern SharePoint. You can configure web parts to show different content to different groups of people. The HR team sees HR relevant news front and center. The sales team sees updates relevant to them. A new employee sees onboarding resources. A manager sees leadership communications. Everyone lands on the same homepage, but the content they see is personalized to them. That personalization is what makes an intranet feel relevant rather than generic. And relevance is what drives return visits. A few other web parts worth knowing about for intranet design. Quick links. That's for curated link collections with icons that make navigation scannable. There's people search and the people directory web parts for finding colleagues and their contact information. Highlighted content for dynamically surfacing documents from specific libraries based on metadata filters. And then there's events for publishing and promoting organizational calendar items. Then you also have Yammer and Viva Engage for community and conversation. Now there's Microsoft Forms, which can be directly embedded on a SharePoint page for feedback, requests, and surveys without requiring employees to navigate to a separate tool. So the design goal across all of these is to make the intranet feel like one cohesive experience. Consistent branding, consistent navigation, consistent visual tone, even when it's built across dozens of separate sites. Now that consistency is what makes it feel like a place rather than a collection of pages.